Hi, it's David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty, and I'm bringing you another outstanding remodel located at 5001 Inverness Drive in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to Fort Liberty. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com. That's the number 4. And you, of course, can please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Appreciate you watching my videos, and let's take a closer look. You can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition. Brand new driveway there, carport on the left side, pretty brick veneer. It's a tri-level. And let's go inside. Most of what you'll see is brand new, including what you won't see. The electrical work is all brand new. HVAC is brand new. LVP flooring, all brand new flooring except for these original hardwoods here. In the living/dining room combination, all brand new paint, fixtures, cabinets, vanities, and much more. Let's take a look. Living room, and looking back at the door we just came through, a closet there on the left. Beautiful original hardwood floors. And continues around here to the dining area with a small breakfast bar and window to the kitchen. And the kitchen is all brand new. This is wonderful. Quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances. Two more cabinets on this side here. And here's a closer look at how nice this looks. With a view of the backyard. Got a swing there. The backyard is fenced in. Has some good shade and privacy. And there's a patio there. Downstairs you have a family room with a brick wall and an antique wood stove. Closet there. Laundry room. And a powder room here. All the vanities are brand new. We'll go upstairs to 2 full bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. And some very attractive tile work in these bathrooms. Going up to the ceiling here on the shower. The vanity and mirror. First bedroom, followed by the second bedroom. And the owner's suite with a full bathroom. And more attractive tile work. Closer look. This remodel really tied everything together nicely. Great choices on the selections. And you can give me a call to see this or any home for sale in town. 910-723-8888. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching.